Farmers in WA's Levy Group have shown that improving soil biology and organic carbon can improve yields by up to 0.3 tonnes a hectare. But researchers are now investigating what impact this practice is having on both greenhouse gas emissions and nitrogen fertiliser requirements. Outgoing Levy Group R&D Committee Chairman Michael Dodd says farmers are keen to understand their soil biology, particularly if there is an opportunity to improve fertiliser efficiency.
At the start of each year we sit down and look at what the crop we've grown last year and the nutrients we've applied. So we're basically assessing the paddock as a bucket, and we know what nutrients are in that for the next year. So we don't want to be applying excessive amount of nutrients, because that will destroy the soil structure and it's a waste of money. To me, it's just getting another evaluation on what we're losing to the atmosphere and what we're holding in the soil, just so that those calculations at the start of each year are a lot more accurate.
The new 2-year project is being led by Dr. Louise Barton of the University of Western Australia's Soil Biology Group. It is funded by the Commonwealth Government's Filling the Research Gap project, part of its Carbon Farming Futures program. In partnership with the Grains Research and Development Corporation, the Department of Agriculture and Food WA and the Levy Group. Dr. Barton's team has set up an automated gas chamber system to measure nitrous oxide emissions from high and low carbon content soils. These will be cropped continuously until 2014 under a nil and 100 kilograms per hectare nitrogen fertiliser load.
They're basically interpreting what the nitrates that we're losing via the plant and via the soil and the summer rain, what impact that has on our nutrient retention versus the emissions. So at the end of the day, it'll give us a breakdown of the percentage and of those nutrients applied and what we're able to use following year. We can apply a certain amount in one year, but if we know 90% of that's been taken by the crop and gone into the atmosphere, well, we know where our base level is following the next year.
Weighing up the results will be a balancing act for farmers, with the added organic matter also shown to improve water retention and soil acidity.
Well, generally our soils are very low in soil carbon, around the 1%. Whether we can lift those to a sustainable level and maintain those is the question that is really being posed, I suppose. And just generally that soil health helps us in so many ways. Retention of nutrients, retention of water, which is certainly over the last decade has become extremely important. And our no-till farming is helping that.